Hey guys, it's James from Dom James, and I have another Dragon's Exalted pack, so go for it. Here's the pack. Open the So we have a Ninjask, a Vigoroth, a Sop, Fungus, Aipom, Bidoof, Stunky, Mareep, Gothitelle, nice, and Manectric. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe.